Nature is it's huge for me. It's really, really important for me, and I feel like I'm such a big part of nature, and it's probably because of where I grew up. I grew up in a little town in Finland where nature is just everywhere around us. I grew up right next to the sea. My whole family are sailors, and we have 2 islands also out in the archipelago where we used to spend like all of our summers, and I just thought it was normal then. And I really feel it, like if I stay in London for too long, it just drives me mad. I need to get out and connect with nature. But I've been so fortunate to travel a lot and see different parts of this beautiful nature that we have in different parts of the world. Like, look where we are now. This is insane. But it really affects. I feel like the more you get tuned into like who you are and your emotions and everything, the more you also tune into the energy of a space and an area where you are. And just coming out here is like, it's really grounding. And you cannot not relax when you're here.
It's like the world is 50% visible, 50% invisible. And I think magic is when you can find the bridge between those 2 worlds.
I definitely think there's more to the world than we see with our eyes. I think there's a lot going on inside of ourselves that can also help us to access other dimensions, other realities, whatever you want to call it. And I think also that's why, you know, meditation, yoga, Buddhism, it's getting more and more popular, because basically it's a call for people to go inward. I do feel like I get guidance when I'm in that space, whether that's from God, from angels, whether that's magic of me just like dreaming about what I want to have in my life and then saying those dreams inside of my head when I'm in that space. I feel like those dreams are being heard, and I've seen that manifest in my life, especially over the past 2 years. The more I've started doing it, the more things have started to come into my reality. And when you see that happening, then it's like, wow, okay, I believe in this, so I'm gonna do a little bit more of this. And then you start doing more of it and more of it starts happening. It's like, you know, it's like what you attract what you put out. And in some ways, I think like everything in our lives is a reflection of ourselves and of our own behavior. And that's also sometimes hard, because sometimes you have things in your life that you don't really like, you don't really want to have there. And then I always think it's important to ask yourself the question, well, what am I doing that might attract that into my life right now? And try to start from that perspective and then go outwards after that.